Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI sticky notes in Miro. If you're brainstorming ideas, planning projects, or organizing feedback, Miro AI can help you generate and structure ideas in seconds. Let's get started. First, open Miro in your browser and sign into your account. Then, create a new board or open an existing one. Once your board is open, click Create with AI from the left-hand toolbar. In the AI panel, switch to the Sticky Notes tab. Next, enter your prompt, for example, generate 20 app launch ideas. Then, click Enter. Within a few seconds, Miro AI will create a collection of sticky notes filled with ideas related to your prompt. Review the generated notes and add your own ideas if needed. You can edit, move, or delete any sticky note to customize the board. To organize your ideas, select multiple sticky notes and use Miro AI's clustering feature to automatically group similar ideas together. After organizing your ideas, use the dot voting tool to let your team vote on the best suggestions and prioritize the most important ones. You can also select a group of sticky notes, click Miro AI, choose Document, and then select Summary to generate a quick overview of the key ideas. Once you're finished, save your board or share it with your team for collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully used AI sticky notes in Miro to brainstorm, organize, and prioritize ideas more efficiently. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.